Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Tech Tricks. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add a background shape for any image or any chart for Power BI. So in this one, I have opened the Power BI here, and in the data, I have taken one of the Excel sheet here. And now what we have to do is just first of all we will fix the page. For the fixing the page, we have to go on the view option. Okay, in the view option, a page view option is there. Click on the page view and then click on fit to page. Okay, now you can see the page is here. And then what you have to do is you have to go on the visualization pane. In the visualization pane, you will get an option format your report. In this format your report, you have to click on this, and in the canvas background, you have to select any color. Suppose if I want to select this color, I have selected this color. But again, you can see there is no color reflecting in the background. Okay. Then what you have to do? You have to go to this transparency option. Okay. In this transparency option, you have to reduce it. Okay. Once you will reduce it, you can see the color is changed. If you will reduce it to 0%, it will show you the actual color. If you will keep some transparency percentage, then it will give you some light color. Okay. So I have kept it as 35%. So this color is looking good for me. So this color I have added in the background. Now what I am going to do is I will create a simple chart. Okay. So for creating a simple chart, I have to go on add data. Okay. For creating a simple chart, again I have to click on this add data to your visual, and again I have to select the chart, like stacked column chart I have selected here. And in the stacked column chart, you can, in the x-axis, you can drag the order date here. And in the y-axis, again you can drag this sales option here. So I have already created that in one of the page, so that I'm going to take. Okay, so this is the chart which I have already created, so this I'm going to use in that page. It's taking some time. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will paste that chart, whatever I have copied from that page. Sorry, I think some page number issue happened. Okay, again I have to copy this. Okay, copy this, click on page number 3, and just I have pasted here. Okay, and now it is added here. I will remove this chart from here, and this graph is ready for me. Now I have to create a shape to add in the background. So for that, what I'm going to do is, for that I have to go in the insert option, and in insert option you will get an option as a shape. In the shape, just select the rectangle. Once you will select the rectangle, you go to the format option here, and in the format you will get shape. Okay, click on this shape option, and here you will see in the shape rectangle is there, and there you will get a rounded corner option. So suppose if you want to round your corners, then here you have to give 10px. Okay, so 10px I have given here. Then just go on the style option. See, once you have given 10px, you can see the rounded corner is there. Now again click on this chart, then only you will be able to see this format option. If you will click outside, this option will not come. If you have to work on any chart or any shape, you have to click on that particular thing, then only these options will come. Okay, then I have created that, and then I will go to the style option, and in the style option you will get an option as a fill. Okay, just make it as off. Okay, make it as off, click the border as off, and then go to the general part. After coming to the general part, you will get an option as effect. So in the effect, you can click on the border on. Here is the option to select the color. Whatever the color you want to select, you can select here. And then you have a visual border. So here you can click on the visual border. So once you will click on, you can see the visual border is reflecting. Then what you have to do, visual border is reflecting as a whole rectangle. So again you have to make it as a rounded corner. Again you will go to the general option, click on the effect, and in the visual border option, here you have to write as a 10x in the rounded corner. Once you will write in the 10x in the rounded corner, just click outside here. Then you can see the shape is rounded now. The border, the visual border for this shape is also rounded. Okay, again you have to click on format the report page. Okay, you have to click on the shape. Once you will click on the shape, you can check what you have added. If you want to add the shadow also, you can add the shadow. Let me see how the shadow is looking like. Okay, it depends on you. If you want to add the shadow as well, you can. Okay, now what I will do, I will just enlarge it. And drag this chart to this. Okay, don't drag it now. Again click on the shape, go to view option. Okay, no, not view option. Go to the format option, and you will get a send backward option here. Click on send backward, and then again click on send backward. Now you can bring it here above, and then click outside. Okay, now you can see this automatically got created. Remove this. Okay, now you can just adjust this graph in the middle of the shape. Okay, just hold it, bring it here, hold it, bring it in the middle. Okay, now click outside. Of this question is okay. Now you can see the background shape is added for the chart. Just like the same, you can do it for the image also. Suppose if you want to add anything, like if you want to add any image, then what you can do, again you can add this backward shape, and then again you can add some image here, then you can add some numbers here by using the KPIs, or if you want to add any text here, so that also you can use. So this thing will remain the same, like how I have added the background shape. Just like the same, you can add the background shape for the image as well. I hope you understood this concept of background shape. And if you like this video, just like the video, share it as much as you can, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.